Hello, everybody. My name is Bob Friedenthal. I call myself a LinkedIn junkie. I've been in the internet for 31 years. Got started when there was only like 30 or 60 million people in the world on the internet. So I wanted to give a shout out to a particular individual, a guy named Alan Holmes, AlanHolmes. This guy, he calls himself a connector, and he really is. He really connects people, gives lots of referrals. I think I might have received like 3 referrals this week from him. So that means that somebody else also received a referral. So good stuff. And I've done studies on referrals. And they still say that about 60% of most people get their new business by referrals. I was in a mastermind group this morning, and I asked the group, there was about good 15 people in the meeting, at least 15 people in the meeting. And I asked them, how many people get their business by referral? You know, the majority of the people raise their hands. So it's good stuff. If you want to talk to me about Alan Holmes, give me a call. My phone number is area code 310-736-5787. That's a mobile number. And my email address is bob@mycity.com. And if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, I am, it's under Karen, C-A-R-Y-N, and A-N-D, Bob. Friedenthal's the last name, F-R-I-E-D-E-N-T-H-A-L. Please give me a call. I'd love to speak to you about my dear buddy, Alan Holmes. And we met in a referral group. So good stuff. Thanks.